7929 Cherry River, checking on repairs. I'm going to go ahead and get started because I have water running all over the house. I'll come back down for that since it's not running. So in the master bath, we asked for the toilet, shower valve, tub drain, and aerator to be repaired and or cleaned. So this does not appear to be repaired or cleaned to me. Same here. I don't see any shower valve leaking. This looks to be in good condition. The tub diverter is obviously not working properly. And the tub is not slow draining. So a lot of the repairs seem to have been made here. This toilet, I flushed it multiple times. It is solid. It's not loose or wobbly. It takes a long time to fill back up. The thingy did catch on the inside, but the water was not continuously running. Okay, so that was the toilet, shower valve, tub drain, and aerator. Now we're going to go look at the upstairs hallway toilet. It appeared to be secured. It was not leaking. The shower valve was not leaking, but the diverter was not repaired. So this aerator looks great. I flushed this multiple times. It's not moving at all. No leak here. No leak here. But the tub diverter is leaking. Okay. The HVAC did turn on. Now let's head downstairs. I don't know if you can hear it, but the HVAC is running right now. So now we'll just check this downstairs bathroom. Ooh, that doesn't look good. Okay. Okay, downstairs toilet to flush properly. And aerator to be cleaned. I'm gonna move my computer. But the aerator did not appear to be, that's not good. It feels solid. The tank is refilling. It takes a long time, but it does appear to be functioning. And that was all we had asked for.